Here is the home buying process broken down so simple anyone can follow it. Step 1. Talk to a lender, that is me, and get pre-approved. Step 2. Find your home with a licensed agent, also me. Step 3. Make an offer. Step 4. Inspection and appraisal. Step 5. Final loan approval. Step 6. Closing day, you get your keys. That is it. 6 steps, and you are a homeowner. The part most people overthink is step 1, because they are afraid of what they will hear. I promise you, the answer is almost always better than you expect. Text me, and let us find out together. Ken Claude, Chotroy SC Real Estate Broker in Charge and Licensed Loan Officer, Chotis, Carolina Coastal Realty Group, LLC. Summit Lending Group, Chotroy NMLS number 2 476 547 8 439001254. Equal Housing Lender. Powered by C2 Financial Corporation.